Okay, so as I said, guys, we're pairing our group activities so that it will be more of a collaborative work. So the next quiz will be about tidy and dplyr and tidyr, and then the next one will be application. One application on creating dashboard and another application on application in finance using regression and data gathering using finance. All right. So may I? Okay. So we're okay with the pairs, unless I have to check how many students all in all there are. Okay. So let me go back to our canvas. Okay. In modules, guys, I uploaded. Sorry, I forgot to publish it. So there are 3 files here. First is a video. I did not create this video. I got this from the internet. It's just an 8-minute video. It's a short video about creating dashboards. So our lesson today will be creating dashboards. This is an application in R. Uh, I know of 2 ways by which you can create dashboards. One is Shiny. Shiny is a very powerful package. And the other one is Flex Dashboard, which is our lesson. Flex Dashboard is a lot easier to navigate through, to implement. That's why we're starting with it. On your own, guys, later on, you can learn how to plot dashboards using Shiny. Okay. By now, guys, you should know that R Markdown has several capabilities. It can create our reports like what we're doing. You can knit it to HTML, knit it to PDF, knit it to Word. You can also create books out of R Markdown. And another application for R Markdown is you can create flexboards, dashboards out of it. So this one, guys, this video that uh, I sent you. Okay, so let me see the settings. Okay, I would rather, guys, that this is just an 8-minute video. So I will just request you to view this on your own so that you have a good background on what dashboard is using R. But there's a cheat sheet. So may I invite your attention to open this. I've already opened this. Okay, so this is a cheat sheet, okay, for Flex Dashboard. It's also a website, a link that will give us an introduction to what Flex Dashboard is. Can you see, guys, the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. So let's look at this first. So the package, guys, is Flex Dashboard. It's an easy interactive dashboards for R. So that's what we're going to learn today. This will be part of the quiz that you're going to do as a pair. I'll ask you to again choose files from either Kaggle or from UCI, and then you're going to post it in our G Sheet so that there will be no repetition. But you will have to data set. You will have to, I have to approve it first, okay? Either Kaggle or, so that should be data set, then the URL, then the source, whether it's Kaggle or UCI or others, okay? Then you will have to, I will have to approve it, guys, okay? So what's the objective? You choose a data set and you're going to apply the dashboard You're going to create a dashboard out of those data set by creating plots. Okay, so we're going to learn now. Okay, so going back to this one, so we can use our markdown, guys, to publish data visualizations. So this will be more applications of ggplot2 and plotly, plotly, which we're going to learn in a while. Plotly, guys, is a very powerful data visualization tool, whereas ggplot2 is just static. When you plot a chart using ggplot2, it is not interactive. When you use plotly, it gives it a very interactive touch. So that's what we're going to use for your dashboards. Okay. So very easy to use, guys. My question dito sa chat. Where can I find the G sheets? I haven't placed my name. Okay. So ang G sheet nyo, sorry let me answer the question first. Okay. Let me again share the nasa chat na lang, no? Okay, so let me again post the oops to everyone, sorry. Okay, for those who haven't accessed the G sheet, guys, ito yun this is the G sheet. Kindly indicate your names here, okay? All right, so let me go back to, so here, guys, before you do anything, before you do your Flex dashboard, kindly make sure that I have it approved, no? I'll make sure that I frequently look at this so that I can immediately approve and check your chosen data. URL and let's see, insert onto the left. Okay. Give a brief description, okay? Give a brief description of the data. All right. Okay, so there are several layouts that you can choose from. It can be row based. It can be column based. Okay, so these are the layouts. Let me check what this link gives us. Okay, so there are some examples here. So for the layouts, guys, you can do a chart stack fill. Okay, so if you take a look at this, the charts are stacked against each other. It can be also scrolling type. Okay, scrolling type is good if you have a very good, if you have a very long list of chart types. Okay, so there are several choices here. Okay, you can do multiple pages. Okay, you can do the storyboard type. Okay, so the instructions here are quite clear and easy to follow. Okay, so going back here, go to home. Okay, then you have the storyboard layout. And Shiny is another package in R. It's very, very powerful, but for our purpose, guys, yung Flex dashboard is a lot easier to use. So we'll use that for our purposes. But if you want, guys, if you want to really impress, guys, for your exams, for example, for this, you can learn Shiny on your own, and then you can use that, no, to submit. It's all up to you, really. Of course, I'll give you extra credit for that. Okay, so we have to install Flex dashboard first before we can use that, and this will be used in the context of our Markdown. Okay, so these are the instructions. We're going to do this in a while. Okay, so these are the basics. So what are the components of your dashboard? You can use Flex dashboard to publish groups of related data visualizations as a dashboard. You know what a dashboard is, guys? It's a visual representation of your data. Okay, it can be static or it can be a dynamic, dynamic interactive document, and that's making use of the Shiny package. So, ang dami guys, ang dami pwedeng gawin, no? Ang of course, limited yung time natin, but uh, as I mentioned to you guys, I keep on, ako personally, I've been using R for more than 10 years, but walang tigil talaga dun sa sa constant increase in knowledge. That's why I find R very 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 helpful kasi maraming packages ang dinadagdag, ang daming new learnings, ang daming capabilities na dinadagdag. Okay, let me pause for a while, guys. How about you? Do you find R to be, ipakichat, guys, kung how do you find R so far, so far? Give it a rate of uh, 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. How do you find its usefulness, its utility? Sige nga guys, pakichat. If I were to ask you, personally to, of course, walang tamang answer. Uh, how do you find so far yung gamit ng R sa subject natin? Or maybe, I don't know if you're using this also in other subjects. Could you just chat please? Personally, ano yung rate sa iyo ng utility or gamit ng R? Kindly. Sa chat na lang natin guys. Thank you, David. Okay, John, thank you. The rest, guys. Okay, Stephen, Pierre, Kiza, okay. Hans, thank you. All right. So, Joycel, thank you. Hased, thank you. Okay, Bea, thank you. So, iba-ibang rating kayo, no? Now, I hope guys, it reaches to 10. On a personal level lang naman yan. Just keep on continuing using it. Kasi if you're all Fin students, guys, so later on, guys, sa research nyo, sa next subject nyo, sa FinStar, sa recipe nyo, sa research 1 and 2, talagang malaki yung gamit ng R, guys. Siguro ngayon, hindi you do not yet see the very much the importance of the practicality and use of it. But I guarantee you guys, if you stick onto it, kaya nga, after this subject, guys, continue learning R, no? Continue learning it. Makikita nyo na malaking tulong sa inyo, not only in school, but later on, when you go out there and you're employed sa corporate setting, malaking tulong talaga. Okay, so can be, the output can include graphics, of course, pwede rin tabular data, pwedeng value boxes, which we're going to use now, and gauge, mag-gauge din tayo, no? And there can be text annotation, especially for storyboard. Okay. So, components niya, let me just open this new tab. Okay, so here are the different components, okay? Ito yung sa kanina din, overview, no? So, I'll leave you guys to look at this, to inspect this. Of course, guys, we don't expect na isang setting lang makukuha natin to. These are examples of value boxes, no? So magka-create tayo ng value boxes. These are graphics in terms of boxes, no? It can be counts, no? Kunyari sa ano nyo sa sa kunyari may website tayo, no? Tapos nagpo-post tayo ng articles doon. You can create a counter on the articles per day, comments per day, spam per day. Okay, and the code for that is very easy. Ito lang, no? Ito lang. Value box lang. Okay, nag-create mo na ng object na articles na ang function, kinompute yung articles. Compute, that's just counting it, no? So yan lang, value box. Tapos ilalagay yung font awesome na na font, no? Nakasama dun sa box. Ganyan ito, pencil, and then quotes, okay, yan, pencil, comments pala, and then you have ang icon dito, trash. No? So yung ano na to guys, pwede nating ilagay na to sa ano natin, sa dashboard, mga ganyan. Okay? And ito naman yung example ng gauge. Okay? You can also do this. yung gauge na to, tapos ito lang yung ano niya, ito yung code niya. It looks long but it's not isang gauge lang to, no? Kunyari itong contact rate. Create muna natin yung rate, yung object na rate, tapos kinompute natin, and then yung gauge lang, may minimum, may maximum, and then may symbol lang, then may sectors lang siya. So that's naka-percent siya, okay? So that's actually very easy. Okay, so mag-example tayo na ito mamaya. Okay, so a lot more guys, which we will not, of course, text annotations dito, which we will not be able to do now. Pero guys, when you create your own, you can explore. Kasi syempre, the higher you explore, the more inputs you do, the more I'll increase the grade. So your grade will be based also on things that you add to your dashboard without na hindi natin diniscuss sa class. Pero may guides naman dito, no? Okay. So let's leave that. Okay, again guys, nasan yung link na to? Andi dito yan sa nasa cheat sheet natin yan. Okay. And plus this, pero mas marami guys, mas maraming laman tong cheat sheet na to. Ito konti lang yung explanation niya, pero it will keep us at least sa simula, no? All right, so let's go now to R. Kindly open your R and let's open the R Markdown file that I sent you. Okay, so that's the dashboard trial 2. Kindly open that. And that our Markdown file has 3 R Markdowns. Magsisimula muna tayo sa trial 1. No? We'll start with trial 1. Okay, pause muna ako. Paki-chat lang guys kung kung na-download nyo na yung file. Okay, kindly just say yes. Thank you, Anton. Thank you, Miko, for your responses. Okay. Okay, thank you, Erica. Paki-chat lang guys kung na-download na yung R Markdown file. And we'll go through it one by one. Okay. The others, I'm only getting 2 replies. Iba. So I'll wait for you to chat. Thank you, Hesed. Just want to make sure that you're able to download it. Thank you, Brea. Okay, good. Samantha, Hans, Kiza, Joycel, thank you. All right, Chevy. All right, good. Okay, I think anyone having a problem, just kindly chat here if you're having a problem. Okay, looks like wala naman. Okay. Okay, thank you, John. All right, so let's go to let's access first yung trial 1. Okay. Now, how do you let me start with from the beginning. Dito na lang natin guys i-install, no? Pag nagke-create tayo ng dashboard, especially pag nag-i-install tayo ng mga packages, do not write on the R Markdown, no? Kasi pag nag-install ka dito, magkaka-problema later on pag ninit natin. So let's start first with install natin yung Flex dashboard. So you can type install.packages, or since Flex dashboard is in CRAN mismo, you can do this. Kasi dati lagi natin ini-install yung packages, di ba? Install.packages. Remember guys, we can Flex dashboard. Okay? So that one, or you can do this, install packages, then install. It's taking some time. Okay, install guys, you can type there yung Flex dashboard. Okay, medyo tumatagal sa akin, but okay. Paki-install na guys. Yan, this is what I was saying. Kasi kung nasa CRAN na siya naka-deposit guys, naka-upload na doon, then dapat available na siya dito. Yan, Flex Dashboard. You can just click this and then install. Okay? I will not install it anymore kasi na-install ko na to. Okay, once again guys, I'll ask kung na-install na. I-chat na lang ha, para alam ko kung okay. So paki-chat nga guys, yes, yes lang kung na-install na si Flex Dashboard. Okay. Bea, magkakasama sila. Yung trial 2 lang. Walang kasama si trial 2. Dapat magkakasama siya. Guys, yung dinownload nyo yung R Markdown file, dapat tatlong, ano yan, magkakasamang, let me check ha. Patanong nga guys, when you downloaded yung R Markdown file, did these three R Markdowns appear? Pakiyasa lang guys. Kasi dapat, ano? Okay, sandali ha. Okay, sige. Let me upload first trial 1. Sige, upload ko ulit yung trial 1. Sorry, ba't ganun? I thought naka-ano na siya. Sige. I'm going to upload trial 1. Okay. Let me work on this first. Okay. I'm going to upload a file. So trial 1. Okay, guys, in-upload ko na si trial 1. Actually pareho naman siya, pero sige lang. Paki-download. And then paki-chat guys kung okay na si trial 1. Kindly chat. Lagyan na trial 1 okay. Okay, good. Okay, thank you for pointing that out guys. No? Salamat. Okay, that's good. Actually, trial 2 guys yung kompleto. Si trial 1 yung part muna kasi we're going to create muna a one dashboard para makita kagad natin yung yung output. All right? So let's go back to our file. Kita nyo no yung screen guys? Yung R, kita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So may ano pa no, may mga ibang packages pa na I think baka first time nyo lang i-install. Okay. Andali ah. Before I continue guys, before we continue to install the packages. So na-install nyo na ba si Flex Dashboard? Kung na-install nyo na guys, yun na muna gawin natin. Okay, so go to trial 1. Tapos i-highlight nyo lang itong si library na Flex Dashboard. Siya lang ha, ito lang. Let's make sure that Flex Dashboard is installed. Okay. Or actually, you can also do it here from the packages. Okay, paano ila-library guys si Flex Dashboard? Di ba? From the packages, guys, makikita nyo dito. You have, kung na-install nyo na si Flex Dashboard, ito. So, i-click nyo lang, guys. Click nyo. Okay. So, library na yan, guys, no? Naka-library na siya. Yan, no? Library Flex Dashboard. Okay. Ibig sabihin yan, naka-library na siya, naka-ready for use na siya. Naka-require na siya. Or you can just click can highlight this and then control enter para ma-library na. Okay guys, na-library na ba si si Flex Dashboard? Okay. Any questions so far?
None, sir.
All right. Sige, kung na-require na natin si Flex Dashboard, how do we now create a Flex Dashboard in R Markdown? Ganun din guys, either file or ito, right? Plus R Markdown ulit. R Markdown. And then here, from template. No? Gagamitin natin from template. Okay, then you will see there from template Flex Dashboard. Flex Dashboard, then okay. Okay, then magkakasimula na magkakaroon ng R Markdown. Okay. You see that this is a Flex Dashboard. Okay, clear so far guys? Nakita niyo yung na-setup natin ng Flex Dashboard. Okay, ito yung template guys ng Flex Dashboard. So, ang mangyayari dyan guys, fill up pala natin ito ng mga codes. Okay, so it's not really that difficult, no? Okay, pause muna ako. Naka-ano na ba kayo? Naka-create ng template ng Flex Dashboard? Paki-yes nga guys sa chat. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. So that's how easy it is guys. So ano yung recall ko lang yung steps ha. Kailangan naka-install muna guys si Flex Dashboard. Tapos i-library natin siya. Okay. Okay. Wait sir. Okay. Bea yung how to create, sige ulitin ko for the benefit of those who were not able to get the instructions. Okay, dito guys. So sa our studio tayo, no? We know how to create an R Markdown. Nagaba may question pa. Okay, so no problem. I appreciate guys your questions. That's good. R Markdown, okay? So R Markdown guys, hindi document, hindi R presentation. From template tayo, no? From template, ayan. Andito guys yung Flex Dashboard. Then okay. So magkakaroon ng panibagong tab dito, untitled. Of course, you can title this. And then ano yung output guys? Ano yung output? It's a Flex Dashboard. Flex Dashboard yung package and the output is a Flex Dashboard. And then column pa rin dito, ibig sabihin may karugtong pa siya. Kung yung default lang ang gagamitin guys, kasi may default si Flex Dashboard tatanggalin natin to. Yan. Kunyari, you're just going to make use of the default settings sa Flex Dashboard. Ano ba yung default? Ang orientation, column-wise. Ang vertical layout, fill. Okay? So, several ways to go about your dashboard, no? You can just delete this. Ibig sabihin nun, yung default setting ng Flex Dashboard ang gagamitin. Okay? Ibalik ko na lang siya. Okay, orientation can be columns. Ano ibig sabihin ng columns, guys? Yung mga plots natin arranged column-wise. So, bali pababa siya. Pababa. So, we can create several columns with our plots arranged. Naka-column siya. Or it can be, pwede rin rows to. No? Pwede natin gawing rows. Ito. Okay, pwedeng rows yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga plots natin para naka-ano siya, naka-row wise. Okay. Nga pala guys, sorry, balikan natin to example lang, no? Let's go back here. Okay, ito, examples guys. Okay, just to show you some examples here. Okay, take a look at this. These are dashboards, no? These are flex dashboards. Okay, so you can use colorful, you can use very beautiful dashboards, guys. Let's look at this muna. Ito. There are several examples here. Okay. If you take a look at this, guys, so ito guys, ito yung title ng ano ng Flex dashboard niya. ggplotly geoms. Ito ngayon yung mga pages niya. So there are two pages here. Okay, page 1, geom point. Page 2, geom density. So sa ano nyo rin guys, sa project nyo, sa exam nyo, sa partner exam nyo, you can create several pages, no? Madali lang yun guys. Yung pag-create ng pages, it's very easy really. And for this one, ito yung source code nyo. Makikita natin yung source code dito. So tinan nyo yung title, ggplotly geoms, di ba? Ito yun. No? Then yung author, and then ito yung code niya. Orientation guys, naka-row. Tignan nyo, naka-row siya, no? Kasi tingnan yung mga plots, naka-row-wise siya. Okay? And then social menu. No? And then ito guys yung libraries ang ginamit niya. And then ito yung mga codes. No? Okay. So geom point guys, this is the first page. Geom point, yung first page niya. How do I know guys? Yung symbol na is equal to sa baba, sa taas, sa baba ni geom point, this indicates that this is your first layer, layer 1. Yun yung nasa taas yung geom point na nakikita dito. And then row guys, nakalagay dito, ilalagay mo kung row-wise o yung column-wise yung ano yung plot mo. Kung row guys, row. Kung column, ilalagay mo na column dito. Tapos may dash dito. Yan. So this will indicate that this one that's coming next is a part of your page 1 geom point, and it's arranged in a row. And then ang title niya, scatter chart with geom point. Okay? Scatter chart with geom point. Okay, sige, skip ko muna to. Tignan nyo guys, so ito, geom point, yung unang page. Okay, and then scatter chart with geom point, tapos naka-row-wise yung ano, yung plot niyo. Okay, clear so far guys? Ito yung title ng plot. Okay, so publican ko yung source code kasi here we can already learn a lot, no? Actually guys, ito pwede nyo makopy to tapos pwede nyo ma-run kasi yung data niya is simulated, no? Nag-create lang siya ng data, no? Yung variable na x at saka variable na y. So I strongly encourage you to copy this. I-copy nyo sa R, tapos recreate nyo to. Okay, on your own, tapos makikreate nyo to, exacto to. Okay. And then, ito guys, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na yung sinasabi ko kanina, what's the difference between ggplot and ggplotly? Si ggplot guys, static yung ano natin doon, yung chart, no? Sa ggplotly, it makes it an interactive plot. So if you take a look at this guys, ano yung code nito? So we're here creating an object called P, tapos ggplot natin, yung data natin is dot, saan nanggaling yan? Ito yun, di ba? Dot. Alala itong set.seed, no? Yung set.seed na to guys, this is for random data, no? Tapos, ma-replicate nyo to, makikreate yung same data kasi nag-set.seed tayo, no? Tapos the object is called dot. So here we're creating an object called condition C, A, and B, each of 10. And then you have X variable and Y variable, 20 yung data points na to. Okay, and then we create this geom point, shape is equal to 1. So these are scatter plots na hollow circles. And then notice guys, dito sa dulo nakalagay ggplotly P. Now, this is converting your ggplot ito into an interactive one. Okay, pakita ko lang sa inyo to ha. So this is scatter chart with geom point. Tingnan niyo to. Take a look at this guys. When you hover around this, okay, tingnan nyo yung mga functions nito, pwedeng i-download as PNG, pwedeng i-box select, ang dami mga features niya. No? Okay? And this plot is produced by Plotly. So in your exams, guys, in your group pair exams, you're going to plot ggplot, pero i-convert nyo sa Plotly para pag dinownload siya dito sa Flex dashboard, ayan, interactive siya. No? So lahat dito, guys, sa mga plots, hindi siya yung sa ggplot lang na na stay lang siya na pagka-plot mo, yun na yun, no? Parang static siya. Pero yung ggplot, guys, tingnan nyo, lahat yan, interactive. So, and that's very easily done. Sabi natin, paano? Kino-convert mo lang. No? Mag-create ka muna ng plot, ng chart na whatever name you're going to call it, and then i-ggplot din nyo lang siya. So, that's very easy. Okay? So, pause muna ako. Clear so far, guys? Medyo so far, medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung kung ano yung Plotly na to, kung ano yung Flex dashboard na tinitingnan natin. Comment nyo guys. So far, of course, hindi pa lahat, no? At least nagkakaroon lang kayo ng a little idea what we will be creating. So we're beginning with the end in mind, no? Paki-chat lang guys kung so far at least nagkakaroon tayo ng faint idea, big idea what the output will be. Paki-chat please. Okay, David, thank you. Okay, Sab, thank you. Alright. Alright, sige. Nagsisimula pala naman tayo guys. Ano? Of course guys, 1.5 hours session is not enough really. Pero the good news is, magsasawa kayo guys sa kakahanap sa YouTube ng instructions on how to Kaya hindi mahirap guys. I'm doing this as an additional skill and also plus points sa grades natin. No? Alright, so this is page 2. Paano natin nalaman ang may page 2 to? Pakita ko lang very quickly. Okay. How do we know guys it's a page? Susulat and then equal to sa ilalim. No? Pwedeng 3 lang. No? Pwedeng, pag 3 equal to, ibig sabihin nun, yun yung name ng page. No? Dito dinadagdagan na lang para makita yung distinction from the kung row or column siya. Now, where's the next page? Andito yung next page yan, kita nyo guys. So, kitang-kita talaga kung next page na yan, no? Geom density daw yung next page. Andito dito. Yan. So, here you're using a gamma distribution. Siguro, if you're going to replicate this, medyo tingnan nyo kung ano ba yung gamma distribution, no? And notice yung mga plot, lagi niyang kino-convert into ggplotly. Yan, ggplotly. Of course, mas maganda sana to kung inaano yung number, P1, P2, P3, P4, para may distinction dun sa mga numbers. Okay? Again, so the geom density, this is the second page. Yun na yung mas grabe yung mga plots. No? Okay, so this is how we intend, this is what we're going to do. So pipili kayo ng data or pwede rin nyo pero mas maganda guys, magpipili na lang kayo ng data ha. Sa Kaggle marami naman doon o kaya sa UCI. Alright, so as I was saying guys, ito yung template, no? Template. So this one guys is underline to, di ba? This is the parang naiba yung dash motor. Column tama. Column guys. So that's a dash, no? Kasi kung lalagyan natin ng pangalan, di ba? Maalala nyo, pag pangalan ng page title, page title 1. And then ano gagawin natin dito guys? Equal to. Kahit tatlo lang, no? Pero mas maganda siguro, dagdagan ng konti. Ito parang sobrang dami. Yun ang default kasi ni R Markdown. Okay? So this will create, guys, the page title. This will create, magsasabi kung column siya. Take a look at this, guys. Data with. Ano yung data with? Yung data with, guys, ito yung, kasi si R Markdown, ginawa niyang parang 100 points yung buong with. So pag 650, ibig sabihin yan, 600, mga 65% ang i-ano niyan, tawag dito, ang magiging width ng data natin. Okay, gawin natin to, guys, rename natin to XXX. Okay. Tapos i-save muna natin, tapos subukan natin i-run. Subukan natin init. You have to save first your R Markdown, your Flex dashboard, before you can run it. No? So sige, I'm going to save this file, save as. Subukan lang natin i-save kung saan nyo gusto i-save. I-save ko na lang dito, delete ko na lang ito mamaya. So I'm going to call it XXX. No? Save. Alright, so naka-save na siya. Once it's saved, guys, once it is saved, so ano makikita natin dito? We're going to see a dashboard. Okay, na page title 1, tapos column. Maglagay ulit tayo dito. Sorry ah. Tignan natin page title 2. Trial lang to, trial. Page title 2. Paano pag page, di ba? Ilalagay natin. Yan, ganyan, di ba? Equal to. Tapos, let's create a row. Row naman, guys, row. Row 1, okay? So, under row 1 is, may element tayo. Gawin natin chart D. Chart D. Tapos, yung chart D na yan, syempre nakalagay yan, may code tayo dyan, no? Okay, so since wala pang code, guys, wala pang magiging ano yan, no? Wala pang magiging row 2. Wala pang magiging laman. Ano lang to, yung sinusubukan lang natin na chart E. Okay. So in a nutshell, guys, ganito yung template, no? The triple hashtag, guys, indicates the name of the chart. Okay. The is equal to sign here tells us the page. And the single dash here tells us how the plot will be done. No? Kanina naka-column, yung default, ngayon naka-row. So tingnan natin ha. Save muna natin to, Control S. Before you can knit, i-save nyo muna yung file, yung XXX. Tapos init natin, no? Knit to flex dashboard. And let's wait. All right, guys, can you see the output? Guys, can you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ano nangyari, guys? You have a flex dashboard, ang pangalan niya XXX, di ba? So meron tayong dalawang pages, di ba? Page title 1. Yung una, naka-column siya. Kaya naka-column to, chart B. Tapos yung pangalawa, yung pangalawa natin, chart A, column, tapos another column, chart B and chart C. Okay, chart B and chart C. So if you take a look at the output, sa page 1, naka-column pa rin siya, kaso dalawa yung chart B and chart C, no? Kasi pinagkasya natin sa isang column yan. Okay? And then page title 2, you have chart B and chart E. How do you open the output? Yung output, guys, pag ninit nyo, dapat automatically lalabas siya. No? Pag ninit nyo, guys, let me try that again. Ha? Knit to flex dashboard. Okay, so I'm naka XXX ako. Knit to flex dashboard. So mag-knit siya, irarun ni ano to yan, lalabas siya dapat automatically. So this is the flex dashboard. This is the page title 1. This is the page title 2. Then you can open that in browser. Pag click ko to, mag-open siya sa browser natin. Yan, nag-open siya dito. Okay, was I able to answer the question? Na-answer ba? The question? Okay, guys, huwag kayo magsusorry pag mag-question kayo ha. Ako talagang, I'm happy that you're asking questions. I really appreciate, guys. That's very good, no? That's very good. So I'm really happy when you're asking questions. Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Ito yung template lang natin, ano? So we're going to go to trial 1. Okay. Now may mga packages dito na gagamitin natin na hindi pa natin na-install, like yung data table. So kindly, wag natin i-install dito kasi ito, guys, itong trial 1, notice that this is already a flex dashboard. Hindi to RMD file, flex dashboard to. So tingnan natin, ang orientation niya, rows. So naka-row yung ano natin, row-wise yung magiging plot natin. Hindi siya by column, no? Vertical layout is fill, hindi siya scroll. Mas ginagamit yung scroll, guys, kung marami ng charts, no? And then social, pwede natin i-indicate dun sa upper part, Twitter, Facebook. Ito yung default menu. At saka default din to, so source code i-embed. Ibig sabihin ng i-embed, ilalagay dun sa ano mismo sa output, sa dashboard. Okay? And then, so ilagay natin, guys, yung mga packages install natin. You can use this or you can type here. So pwedeng, kung ayaw yung i-type install that packages, pwede dito. You can type DT. Kasi part of CRAN yan. So DT, paki-install, guys. Ano pa? Pati si R pivot table. Okay? Pati si Plotly. Ito, importante. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes, guys, to install these packages. ggplot2, meron na kayo niyan. Mamaya ila-library na lang natin. Yung Plotly, paki-install. Open intro, you might need to install that. High charter, and also yung ggvis. All right, now that we have installed these packages, we can now, okay, so kita natin, guys, yung YAML natin, yung yet another markup language ito yung sisimula, no? So notice, guys, this is a flex dashboard. Okay, this is the package and the output is a flex dashboard. Column, ibig sabihin meron pang kasunod dito. Orientation is rows. The orientation, the default is columns. Vertical layout, field, default din yan. Then social, ang default menu. Ilagay na natin Twitter at saka Facebook para dun sa output nakalagay yung Twitter at saka Facebook. Okay, then this is also default source code embed. So let's run this, guys. Run. Okay, good. So naranan natin to. And then let's paki-import guys yung ano. Paki-import yung 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 file, paki-download yung file na sinend ko, yung vehicle failures. I downloaded that file, guys. Here, ito. Vehicle failures, and then paki ano natin, paki download, and then pwede natin gamitin yung read.csv. And then, by the way, guys, do you know how to copy the file ano file location? Alam niyo ba gawin to? Paki yes or no nga para if you need me to tell you. Okay. All right. So and baka kailangan you want me to repeat the instructions on how to copy the link, guys? Kasi i-repeat ko na lang ha, baka some of you might not know how. So tatanggalin ko to. So how do I find the file position? Pupuntahan ko yung location, guys. No? File location, here. And then here, ito yun, ano? ito yung file natin. And then dito sa home, okay, home, click home, and then copy path. Copy path. And then we go back to R. Paste natin dito. Paste. Okay? So this is one way, guys. Another way is yung alam natin yung import data set natin. However, guys, sabi natin we have to replace the backward slash with forward slash. Kasi hindi babasahin ni Aryan kung naka-backward siya. Kailangan i-forward natin. Right? Okay, then run natin. Okay. So there we go. Now, yung ano, pwede natin guys tingnan yung ano, yung structure ng ano natin, ng data natin. Ano ba ginagawa data, okay? Structure. But do not put the structure, the code for the structure and the view here, no? Sama na rin natin yung view. View. Huwag natin ilagay dito guys yung view sa Flex dashboard kasi minsan nagkakaproblema, no? Okay. So ito yung data file na yan, guys. We have 1,624 vehicles. Failure month, kung after ilang months nag-fail kayong car, since the last repair, no? Since the last repair. Tapos ano yung mileage ng kotse nun? And then labor hours cost, labor cost, labor hours, labor cost, and state, ano ba itong nakalimutan ko yung NC, guys? Sorry so this is an example of our data frame, 1,624 observations. Is this tidy data, guys? Yes or no, guys? Tidy data ba to? Anyone? Tidy data? Okay, so chat. Yes, correct. Thank you, David. Yes. Kiza, thank you. So, tidy data yan, ano? Tidy data siya. Okay, so, going back to trial 1. Structure. Ay, sorry. Again, guys, huwag nyo ita-type dito, Do not type the view and the structure or the summary in your Flex dashboard. Structure. Okay, so we have here numerical, characters state. Okay. All right. Okay, then we can, later on gagamitin natin mga colors na to, no? We can identify an object called my colors blue, FFC 125. Ito gold to guys, no? Now, if you're interested in maraming, ano guys, maraming, dito ba yan? Okay. Pwede i-google nyo lang guys, no? Yung mga color hex, for example, color hexagonal code, no? Color hexagonal code. Kasi guys, yung mga colors, whether sa R o basta sa HTML, no? Pitong ano yan, pitong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pito yung ano, pito yung ano niya, yung designation, no? Yan. Hashtag FFF00 yellow yan, no? So a color can be represented as a hex code or an RGB code. Red, green, blue yung primary colors, no? Kunyari RGB 255 yung red, green is 255 and blue is 0. Ibig sabihin combination to ng red and green, that's yellow, no? Okay? And etc. No? So you can I leave you guys to marami naman sa internet niyan guys. Ayan, no? For example, so hex to, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have so many different colors to choose from. Yan. In fact, dito guys, pwedeng ano, no? Pwede kayong for example, ito yung ano natin, ano ginamit natin? Yung gold guys, hinanap ko yung color ng gold. Hashtag FFC125. Control C. Pag ilagay ko dito yan, Control V. Yan, tinan yung kulay guys. So yan, that's the color. Hashtag FFC125. Get info. Yan. So this is the color of hashtag FFC125. Okay, RGB niya, 255, 193, 37. Ano, RGB. Combination, red 255, green 193, blue 37. Sa color hex code niya, ito, 7. So different ways to present it, no? Ang daming different ways to present this color. So ang ginagamit usually natin is either the hex method or the RGB method. Okay, clear ba yan guys? Okay, so we're going to use the color blue, dark green, dark orange, and then this one, the gold one. All right, so yung plot natin guys, interactive data visualization. So ano to guys? This is now your page. What's the name of our dashboard here? The name of our dashboard is Vehicle Failures 1. This is the name of our dashboard. The name of our first page is interactive data visualization. Okay, so we have the first row, di ba? This is the first row guys. May chart tayo na ang pangalan, car failure analysis. Okay, how do I know this is the chart? Ayan, yung tatlong hashtag. Okay, tapos we're going to create the value box, no? Value box. Ipe-paste natin yung object na failure. Ano ba yung failure, guys? Okay. Failure, guys, is the name, no? Color, warning. So we're going to create a value box, guys, na ang pangalan niya failure, tapos ang color niya a warning color. So default ng value box yan. Okay? So let's i-run muna natin to. Na-run na natin to, no? I-run natin my colors para magkaroon ng my colors dito. Yan. Of course, you can add other colors there. Tapos what happens when we run this value box? Remember guys, ano natin dito kanina? Dito sa source natin, dito. Where's that? Saan na yung So may mga examples tayo dito ng value boxes. Yan, guys. So ito yung binibigyan ng value box. No? Yan. So this is one way to write it. No? So nag-create mo na siya ng object. Okay. And then pina-compute niya kung ilang articles. And then value box. Okay, if you want to run examples here, guys, sabi ko, di ba, punta kayo sa examples. Tapos kasi sa mga examples, you have several examples here. Narito. Tapos, kung naka-embed yung embed yung code, guys, makakopy natin yung code. Especially kung yung data given. Okay, source code. Ito, no? We can copy the code. We can copy the, ano ba yung data na to? Okay, I'm not sure if the data here is available. Okay, but you can try, guys. You can try. Ito yung i-generate mo na, ano, na isang page na heat map. Okay, so going back to our example. So this is creating a value box. Pag rinan natin to, guys. Okay. So span class value output. Okay, failure daw. Okay. So pag nag-error yan, guys, ibig sabihin something's wrong. Ito, hindi pa i-generate to kasi wala pa yung ano, hindi pa natin na-need. No? Okay, so but it's good practice to check to run your ano your value box. All right, dito guys, another plot to #local car failures in US. Again, a value box, no? And this will be all generated in rows, no? Kasi row tayo dito, di ba? So magkakalapit na mga rows yan. Okay, then value box. Ang sabi dito, ang length daw coming from the data, yung state. Remember guys, ang data natin is ito data, tapos state. Ang bibilangin niya kung ilan yung state. No? We expect this to be 51 kasi 51 states yung nakalagay dito. Okay, and then take note of this. You can put icons. No? Icon is equal to, this is font, ibig sabihin ng FA is font awesome. Font awesome. Now, ang maganda niyan guys, if you install the package icon, okay, may mga available na, saan ba yun? Dito? Okay, okay, this is, okay, font awesome number 4. Hanggang font awesome number 6 na nga, version 6 na nga eh. Pero I found that yung font awesome number 6, hindi pa available yung iba, no? So these are, you can, all icons. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, you can attach icons, no? Home muna. All right, how many icons are available here? All icons. May mga new to eh. Wait lang. Home. Okay, wait. 6,000 na lahat to eh. All icons. Okay. Anyway, guys, there are different icons here which you can use for your dashboards, no? So, transportation, gender, files, may mga spinner pa. Okay, I'll give you extra credit, guys. Kung ano tong spinner icons yan. Yan, guys. Okay, you can research on that. Paano kayo mag-create ng spinner icon. Ang generic code niya, guys. Okay, sandali, ilagay ko lang tong ano ha. Icons, all icons. Control C. This is version 4. Ilagay ko lang sa chat guys para may access kayo. Okay, marami icons, different types of icons guys. Let me put it in the chat box. Okay, FA guys, that's font awesome, no? Font awesome. So that's why pag hindi nyo guys magamit yung font niya, dapat kasama yan sa sa Flex dashboards, no? But if not guys, mag-install kayo ng package. Install that packages. Then you install the icon package. Okay, icon package. I think it's here. Okay, now, nga pala, no? Kung wala guys, kung wala dito sa CRAN, then ito yung mga dapat gawin ha. I-search nyo na lang sa Google kung paano i-download si icon package. Then it will ask you to install first the remotes package, and then saka kayo makakapag-install ng icon package. Okay? So ano nyo na lang guys, medyo wala pa siya sa CRAN. No? Na-install ko na yung icon package kaso wala pa siya sa CRAN. I'm looking for it. Icon. Wala. Iba tong big hindi yan yung big ICON, hindi siya. Okay. Sige guys. User naman yung picture ng ng tao. So run natin. So far may problema ba kayo pag rinara natin yung value box? Okay ba so far when you run the value box, paki-chat ng yes or no? Guys, paki-chat ng yes or no kung okay yung value box. Okay, good. Good. Okay. All right. Then ito, ang gagawin natin, mag-create tayo guys ng ng mga value box for some selected states, no? For example, Massachusetts. So value box sum date state ibig sabihin is equal to MA, ibig sabihin i-add niya ilan ba yung cases ng car failures, vehicle failures coming from Michigan, icon, FA building. Again guys, saan nanggaling to? Font awesome. Okay, so you can choose among here mga iba't ibang icons, no, that you can use for your value box, no. Okay, so iba yan. Meron ng font, hindi ko pa nasubukan yung font awesome version 5. Ang latest, twice the icons, tingnan natin. Ang latest kasi version 6 eh. Kasi sa version 6, hindi pa magamit yung version 6 no. Kaso hindi pa magamit yung iba, icons. Take a look at this. Hindi lahat to free guys ha. Okay, free. Ang icon 6, sa icon 6, ito na yung available, yung mga free, no? The rest guys, may bayad kasi, no? Yung pro, you'll have to pay. Pero for our purposes guys, ang dami na niyo, 1,609 icons na yan, no? From version 6. Lagay ko na lang dito guys, yung sa chat natin, yung link dun sa icon 6. Okay? So you may use this guys dun sa Flex dashboard na gagamitin nyo. Okay, so let's continue guys. Okay, so I did the same for California, no? Nag-create ulit ng value box. Pinasum yung sa state, lahat ng CA. Tapos ito rocket. Then try to run that again. Okay naman siya, no? Tapos dito si Texas din. Just to have Ginamit ko naman dito yung icon na dashboard. Tapos sa Florida, ginamit yung dashboard na bicycle. And then another object, guys. Ito naman yung gauge, no? Okay? So this is how we do the gauge. Gauge. So we're going to round, no? Round natin yung mean ng LC. Ano yung LC? LC is labor cost. So ang gagawin dyan, i-average to, no? So magkakaroon tayo ng dashboard ng box ng average ng labor cost. 2 digits. Okay, alam natin yung gauge kasi guys, parang 'di ba, parang thermometer 'yan. So yung gauge, ang minimum niya 0, ang maximum 350. Tapos part of the function dun sa gauge is kailangan i-identify natin yung gauge sectors. So sasabihin natin kung success, warning o danger, no? Success, dito ilalagay natin from 0 to 150. Of course, you can change this, no? From 0 to 150, success yun. Ibig sabihin na mababa yung labor cost, average labor cost. Warning, 150 to 240, and then danger, 240 to 350. Okay. Ano yung average, guys, ni summary ni data natin? Oops, naghang pa siya dito. Escape ko. Summary data. Okay. Si labor cost, ang mean niya 242, no? 242. So, ano expect natin na color niya? Nasa danger siya, no? Tapos anong color niya, guys? Kasi ang success, green, tingnan nyo to i-combine natin, tatlo yan. Dapat tatlo kasi tatlo yung natin, yung gauge sectors natin. Green, yellow, red. So since the mean, pinapakuha natin yung mean ni labor cost, the mean is 242. So we expect that it will be colored red. Of course, pwede natin mabago to. No? Pwede maging warning lang siya. Depende kung saan papasok yung average ni labor cost. Right? So if you run this, run. Ayan, guys. Ito na. Okay? Ito yung ano natin, yung gauge natin. Okay, pause muna ako. Clear so far, guys? Clear so far? So dalawa yung object na natin, value box at saka gauge. So, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-plot. No? Okay. All right. So okay, so i-review natin to. This is our trial 1, no? So sa trial 1, guys, we have the name of our dashboard, vehicle failures 1. It's a flex dashboard. We're using the flex dashboard package. Ang orientation niya, rows. Vertical layout, it's fill. So hindi scroll. Social, lalabas yan sa taas ng natin, dashboard natin. Embedded. Okay, ang data na gagamitin natin, yung vehicle, ano? Tapos gagamitin natin sa my colors, si blue, dark green, dark orange. Mamaya, hindi pa natin magagamit ito sa ggplot to, dun sa part 2, sa trial 2. So ano yung mga objects natin? The first page is interactive data visualization. So far, guys, isa pa lang yung page na ginagawa natin, ano? For this, guys, for this part, this is the first page. Wala pa tayong isang page. Row-wise yung ano ng chart. So row-wise, ano yung mga ilalagay? Value box, guys, ang nakalagay failure. Tapos color siya. Tapos another value box. Okay? Ang pangalan, car failures in US. Bibilangan yung number of states. Tapos may icon na nakalagay sa user. Okay? Tapos magka-create tayo ng another value box. Ang pangalan niya, Massachusetts. No? Anong laman nito? Yung sum. Kung ilan, guys. Yung ilan. Tapos may icon siya, building, Ganun din to, bibilangin yung instance ni California, Rocket yung font niya, font awesome niya, Texas, dashboard naman, si Florida bicycle, then another object, this time it's a gauge, average labor cost. So, ang ipapakita dito yung mean, okay, the 2 digits, yung gauge, minimum niya 0, maximum 350. Tapos ito yung breakdown ng mga gauge natin. Ang color niya, depende kung saan papasok yung average ni labor cost. Alright? So let's save this, guys. Control S nyo. Control S. Kailangan i-save nyo muna, guys, yung flex dashboard. And then, init na natin to. Knit to flex dashboard. So, iraran niya. Just wait for our markdown to run it. Okay, there. Okay. Can you see, guys, the dashboard? I-check, guys, kung nakita yung dashboard. Okay. All right. I hope you have this, guys, huh? So, isa pa lang yung natin. Okay. Thank you, guys. So, this is the title of your dashboard, diba? Vehicle failures. Okay, good. Thank you. Gumana. Okay. Then you can open this in browser, guys, huh? Subukan natin, open natin sa browser. So, bubukas yan dito sa natin. Yan. As an HTML file. Okay, ando dun yung source code natin, no? So, vehicle failures, ito yung pangalan dashboard natin. Then, the first page, guys, interactive data visualization, di ba? Ito yung naka-highlight na. No? Alright, di ba? Nag-create tayo ng value box failure. Ito yung pangalan niya. Car failure analysis. Then, car failures in US. Yung bilang, no? 1624. Then sa Massachusetts, kita nyo guys yung FA, no? Yung icon, no? User, building, rocket, dashboard, tsaka bicycle. Well, I just, wala naman sigurong meaning yan, mga yan, ano? Basta ginamit ko lang siya para mapakas as an example. And then you have here the gauge, no? Yung average labor cost natin, 242.92. Okay. Then you just build on this, no? Mag-build on din kayo. Kunyari, another page, then dito, another page, you have to click this. Or you can insert another row here. Okay, another row. So maglalagay na naman tayo dito, another row. Okay. So dito guys, sa number 2, to be honest with you guys, medyo nagka-problema ako sa trial number 2. Yung trial number 2 guys is the same. Kaso nga lang, nagdagdag na ako nito. Ito na yung panibagong no? Hanggang dito kasi tayo, no? Hanggang dito tayo sa average labor cost. Then actually, wait, sa trial. Then we have another row here. So here we're creating an object, failures by state, no? So from the data, i-group by natin state, and then isa-summarize natin. So papabilangin natin lahat ng ilan yung mga states, no? And then we're going to use plotly, no? So ito diretso na guys, hindi ggplot. Plotly na to, where your x is your state, your y is your count. Yung color natin ng plot natin is blue, bar chart siya, and then ile-layout natin. Yung x-axis, ililist natin failures by state. Y-axis natin, title is equal to count. And then P1. Okay? So, I was just having some problems with this. Hindi ko ma-decipher kung bakit, no? If you run this, nasa trial 2 na tayo, guys, ha? If you run this, Dapat guys, lalabas sa viewer yan eh. No? Dapat lalabas sa viewer yung flatly. Okay? Okay, anyway, so dito guys, may mga codes na mga plots, no? Different plots, P1. So rin na natin P1. Top states guys, kunyari yung mga counts na greater than 50, gagawa tayo dito ng ito pie chart, no? Using Plotly also. Tira natin to. Okay, then ito naman, this is a plot on failure month versus mileage. Okay, so this is just a bar chart. Run natin. And then this is another row, no? This is another row, scatter plot. Okay, so these are different types of plots, no? Making use of Plotly, no? Plotly yung ginagamit dito, guys. Bakit Plotly? Para interactive siya. No? This is also box plot of top state. Okay, yun. Dito gumana eh, no? Okay. Dito. So this is the group by state. And then, so ginamit natin yung GG visualization tool. Okay. So pinagsama-sama guys yung state. Okay. Labor cost, ito yung labor cost by state. Then fill by state. And then may naka-layer na box plots. Yun yung naka-box plots. And then we also have here a heat map, no? A map. Hindi pala heat map. Map siya. Okay, run natin. Run. It's almost time, guys. Run. Okay, ito guys. So this is a very, very good map, no? Using GGVs. And then, ang ginamit natin dito is the function series map. Vehicle failure. So makikita natin dito guys yung mga state na pinakamaraming yung marami sa Texas 293, dito sa Florida 168, California 200, and the others, yung mga light lang, Maine 4. Okay? So yung color niya guys nagba-vary based on pag marami guys yung dark blue. Okay, then lastly, yung data table natin. Okay, run natin. Okay, so this is, tinan nyo to guys, interactive, ano? It can show 25, 50, or 100 entries. So this is coming from the DT package. So pinapakita dito yung tape, yung natin, yung data natin. Yung vehicle, failure month. Okay, so that can be included in your dashboard. And also here at pivot table, run natin to. Okay, so this is a pivot table, guys. Okay, and lastly, you'll have a column here. Maximum failure month, average labor cost, average mileage at failure. And then column, guys, sinasummarize yung, this is a report on car failures, okay, etc. Run natin to. Okay naman siya. Okay, I think okay na to lahat. Alright, then if I run everything, guys, save muna natin, Control S. Save natin si trial 2. Okay, guys, sorry, nag-extend ulit ako ha. Just need this. Need. Sorry guys for the extension. Pasensya na. Yung ano lang, yung output na lang, no? Yan, okay? Reload pa. Anyway guys, ito yung mag-load dyan, no? May mga plots dyan. Yan, okay? You see that guys? Diba? Ang ganda ng dashboard, diba? And then you have here yung map, no? Yung map, yung data table, pivot table, and then a summary. Yan. 23 failure month, etc. Okay, so I hope you learned something, guys. Welcome to the power of Flex Dashboards, guys. Did you enjoy the? Did you enjoy the? I hope you did enjoy the lesson, guys. Like enjoy ba kayo kahit papano, guys? Sorry again for the. Okay, thank you, David. Thank you, Kiza. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys. So, ayan, pwede nyo nang i-ano yan, guys. I-run nyo ulit, tapos tingnan nyo, guys. And then it's the world is at your disposal, guys, to come up with dashboards like this. Okay, so thank you, John. Thank you na nag-enjoy kayo, and I'm going to post a recording of this. Maraming salamat, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday. Next Wednesday, guys, another application tayo. It will be regression, no? Okay, so see you. Salamat, guys.
Sir, attendance po.
Attendance, sige. Yung iba, ano na,